What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic really quick because we got some kind of breaking news. Not necessarily breaking because it happened a while ago, but at least for me putting out videos, it's breaking to me. And, the responses and everything that's going on is kind of funny. But also, we want to know what's happening and, what's going to happen in result to this. And, if we're going to see something bigger, that comes out of this for Terra Luna Classic for the entire community, right? So, what I'm talking about is Kwon being extradited to the U.S. or potentially having that. Now that's not a 100% confirmed source, but you do have sources that have confirmed it. I'm going to go through Watcher Guru's article and then also go through Terra Luna Classic because we are seeing a little bit of a dip today within the markets. Some things are increasing, kind of like Ethereum projects, like Ethereum itself, or Shiba Inu has seen a little bit of a move from where it was at the bottom today. So it's definitely seeing a bit of a jump there. But things like Terra Luna Classic are falling from those highs that we did see of about 2.7%, 2.8 percent of a penny. Obviously, we were hype within the community to see this thing grow, but let's talk about Terra Luna Classic as a whole. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, make sure you guys follow me over there. The link is in the description. But also, I wanted to talk to you guys about an exchange that I'm working with on the channel. Now, they don't have Terra Luna Classic on there yet, but I feel like it is like kind of inevitable as it's a $1 billion project with hundreds of millions of dollars worth of volume. And I know a lot of people that want to trade with leverage, and the exchange that I'm partnering with is MargeX. MargeX right now, you can trade with 100x leverage. If you guys are interested, I'll provide a link down in the description if you guys are interested in using this. But you can trade with different leverage. Right now, I'm trading Shiba Inu on leverage, and I believe I'm down by like $2.48. But as long as we do see a little bit of a decrease, we'll end up getting to that point. However, with how Ethereum projects are increasing, it's kind of I'm not sure if we will see that right now. It's sort of around that point, but it is, like I said, it's around break even. So if you guys want to start trading with leverage, whether it's Shiba Inu or whatever, feel free to go over there and check that out. Also, if you guys want Terra Luna Classic on this, all you have to do is go over there, sign up, and then, message them saying, look, we're looking for Terra Luna Classic. It's something to where if we apply a little bit of pressure to saying like, yeah, this has a lot of volume, we're interested, then you can get it on this platform as well. So feel free to go ahead and check out that link in the description. But let's talk about Terra Luna Classic as a whole right now, because currently it's down by 11.55%. We're seeing $300 million in volume, down 49% from where it was 24 hours ago. And we're also seeing that the market cap is at a $1.2 billion market cap. It's been consistently decreasing. You can see the downward trend or downward momentum that we are seeing within Terra Luna Classic from this higher level here of 2.3% of a penny down to where we are at about 2% of a penny. Breaking that level, we might get to 1.9% of a penny. If we look at how this has been over the last 7 days, it's up 73% still. We saw this increase a heck of a lot up to this, 2.7% of a penny level to where now you're seeing a decrease. And again, it did jump up to about 2.5 before decreasing here and then jumping up 2.3, and then it's kind of stair stepping its way down. So it's definitely seeing some negativity after seeing all that positivity that we did see. Even after a month, it's up 206%. So it has increased from the drop zero level, the added zero level up to the drop zero level, and it's been hovering around there. So hopefully, it can bounce off of some of these lower levels, but it's always great to see some sort of a retracement in cryptocurrency so that different people can find entry points, or different people are selling to create those entry points, right? But the interesting piece for today, the interesting breaking news is really surrounding this, where Terra Luna Classic founder, I said clounder and founder, Terra Luna Classic clounder, Kwon, to be extradited to the United States. So basically, we go through this. So Terra Luna Classics or Terra Lunas Do Kwon, set to be extradited to the U.S. Once a key name in digital asset industry. Terra Luna's Do Kwon has been well noted for his failures. Indeed, his manipulation of Terra USD stablecoin led to a host of criminal charges against him. Moreover, the $40 billion crash has prosecutors in both the United States and South Korea seeking to bring him on trial. Subsequently, Do Kwon was arrested in Montenegro as he sought to leave the country with falsified documents. So it's reported that Do Kwon is set to be extradited to the U.S., which will be interesting, right? Because if we see that he is, that he's extradited to the U.S., now he's on trial, right? The trial could be positive or negative towards things, but we get clarification, right? Sometimes we get clarification. Sometimes it's just like, well, you can't prove this, so this is what actually happened. So it's interesting, right? Because they're going to have that trial, right? Do Kwon was charged by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in February for orchestrating a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud. His extradition will likely proceed an ongoing trial regarding the crimes he committed while the head of Terra Luna. So honestly, it may open some doors for at least understanding what actually is going on. And if there's some sort of clarification that can make things stronger for Terra Luna Classic, that might not necessarily be the worst thing possible. However, he's removed from that spot in Terra Luna Classic. And obviously with Terra Luna 2.0, depending on what news we hear within that trial, it could be something that comes out that's big, that's positive, something that comes out that's negative towards it. But it's definitely big news because, like I said, I feel like it opens some sort of door or some sort of door of communication so that we know what's going to happen. So I just thought that was definitely interesting, but we are seeing Terra Luna Classic that is, dropping overall in the day, down 10.5%. And I hope that we can see things pick up. I hope that we can see things grow to a way higher level, get back to all-time highs, but it all depends on the community. It all depends on the amount of interest. It all depends on the overall markets. But it's great to see that right now it's at basically a third of where it was at the highs for this low area. The high point for this low area was 0.0006 something. So around a $3.8 billion market cap. So currently seeing this at a $1.2 billion market cap, we're still around that range. We're still hovering in that area that we know it can grow a lot more, but it's definitely at a higher point than what you've seen with other things that are still kind of at a 10% of the all-time high. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about this with, Do Kwon being potentially extradited to the U.S. and what that really means for Terra Luna Classic, what it means in your eyes. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Also, if you want to check out Margex, which actually me trading on margin now, I'm up by $12 at the moment. So this is coming down. It's definitely making a move, and hopefully it's one of these levels. I'm looking for this level, probably somewhere around a $20 gain-ish. I'm currently up $12. So definitely go ahead and check out Margex if you guys want to start trading on margin. I'm only trading with $100, and I have a potential chance to now, without even a major move, gain 10, 12, 20% on that $100. So definitely check out that link down below. Understand that there are risks with doing that. But yeah, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.